Kapatid, pagod ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na trabaho pero wala pa rin nangyayari sa financial journey mo? Pareho pa rin ang sitwasyon mo ng last year and then the previous year. Kung hindi pa rin nagbabago ang tanong, kailan pa? This is your wake-up call. Don't let another year pass by na hindi pa rin nagbabago. 2025 is your chance to break free. We want to invite you to our, it's called the Income Multiplier Method. Ito po yung 8 strategies to help you earn your 6 to 7 figure income per month. Sa free webinar session na ito, we will teach you how to stop working hard and how to learn how to work smart. I-share din po namin sa inyo dito yung 8 simple strategies on how to multiply your income this year. Alam mo, sa sobrang simple, mapapasapon ka ng ulo. Ha? Bakit hindi ko to ginagawa? And we will help you to also simplify yung approach mo, yung mga unnecessary tasks na ginagawa mo to maximize your result. Believe me, this will be a deal breaker. And then good news, meron din tayong exclusive VIP access. Paano yan? Pag kayo ay nag-upgrade to VIP, you will get access also to a special course with Coach Mommy MK. Siya po yung nagtuturo about freelancing to teach you on how to have a profitable freelancing business. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? The opportunity is right now. If you are stuck again with your financial situation, sign up na kayo and type Go Ako. Don't let another year pass by na hindi pa rin nag-i-improve ang iyong financial situation. See you.